Alright guys, today we have this 2009 Land Rover Range Rover 4.2 supercharged that we have. This doesn't have a nice audio system right now. As you can see, it's pretty basic. So it doesn't have a CarPlay. We're gonna add something here so we can play a CarPlay. The reason why I don't want to replace the whole system here, this screen, the OEM screen, I don't want to lose the all the functionality that the car comes. Alright, and this is what we have right now. This is what we're going to be using. Smart car driving recording. This is like 9.8, 9.3 inches, I think. And alright, let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. By the way, I'm not associated with this or affiliated. I bought this straight up from Amazon. This is the cheapest one I've seen that has a CarPlay. And we'll see how good is the this is thick on the bottom of that dashboard that we have. So it's pretty wide, not the thickest one I've seen. And it does have these suction mount. Not sure if I'm gonna use this. And for now, we're just gonna use the regular cigarette lighter. It's because what do you call this? I have a hardwired kit as well, and we install that later. And this is the SD card, 64 gigabyte. For now, we're just gonna use this SD card. Let's put it right here in the back. I believe we go this way. Oh, how do we around that? Yeah, this is pretty easy install. So let's go ahead go to the car and try to install this pretty quick. So we're gonna put it on top, find a good location, and plug in. That's it. This one has a GPS buttons, not buttons, but maybe we can add a GPS later on. Alright, let's go get to the car and see where we're gonna put this. Alright, let's bring this. I'll bring this as well. See what it looks like. Let's put it in the car. Make sure we don't drop this. So there you go. What we have here is, let's see, okay, this one, I'd like to put it right here. I have pretty good areas here, right behind the vent, because I don't want the vent to be blowing. So I want to put it right there. I think that's pretty good. See, that's not too bad. So we can put it there. If we have the mount, the suctions will be somewhere here, and it could be a little bit tucked in. So like, which I'm not sure yet if I want to do that. Actually, we can just like try it on. Install it. We're gonna remove that one. So if you remove it, we're gonna put it here, somewhere here, and I want to see if this can be extended. There you go. It can be extended. It's gonna be somewhere here, and yeah, I think suction be okay. Let's try to put that before we actually glue this one. See if we can suction it and put it right back here. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that screws and then place with the suction cup. Alright guys, so I went ahead and removed the this mount here. It comes with a screw and the screwdriver, and this is the screws that come out here. So now we can install the suction cup. I think it would be easier if you remove this first. Remove this first. Let's see. Turn it all the way in, I think. Tighten it. This is to loosen up. But we can go ahead. As you can see here. Just gonna go to the screws there. Let's install it, then start the car. Once we get that installed, let's go ahead and put it in the car. I'm gonna peel this later. This one, flip it over like this, because that's how we can do that. Something like that. So let's go ahead and put it in the car. Alright, make sure this is clean. Let's go ahead and swap that real quick. So we're gonna put this in the middle. Make sure you locate it where you want to put it first. Let's say I want it there. I want this leaning close to there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and retighten this one. Make sure that they're not moving. I'm gonna go ahead and peel this with suction. Gently. Let's see. Hold on. So we can see it better. Better angle. that's pretty good view. You can see what's going on. This one is a little bit in the way, but not too bad. So it's recording right now. Let's go home. CarPlay. Let's go to CarPlay. Apple CarPlay. Bluetooth manage. Just the device name. Let's go ahead and connect it to our CarPlay. Bluetooth. There you go. This one. Let's click that one, and then there will be a password. Let's see, it'll be pairing. I'll allow it. Alright, we're connected. As you can see, it's connected. So let's go back. And Apple AirPlay. We can go AirPlay. Switch AirPlay mode. What is AirPlay mode? Let's see. Click Apple CarPlay widget smart screen. Pair your phone. When phone prompt, use CarPlay. There you go. That one is connected already. So if you have a map, it's connecting. Let's go look for Firestone. So it's Bluetooth right now. It's connected Bluetooth. Put in Firestone. See if it can load up. There you go. It's loading up. It's not too bad. Let's go hear the speaker.
Starting route to Firestone, complete auto care.
So the
Proceed
Bluetooth,
to Kelford Drive, then turn
this
right.
one has speaker, so not too bad. We can still use the stereo here. We can connect it, I believe, with the Bluetooth
At the
audio
next
here
stop sign, turn right.
on the car, but I like this one. Alright, it's not too bad. Let's go home and let's see if we can play some music over our own. So we got an iHeartRadio. Not sure if it's gonna be connected there right away. I'm gonna play. Let's see. Not too bad. Not too bad. So I'll pause it here. Alright guys, that's good. And I hope you like this one. Let's check it out one more time. Okay. That's what it looked like. And my son at the back. We can still watch the video. Let's see. You can still use my DVD. And you can watch. Okay. Not too bad. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this one. Till the next video, don't forget to like and subscribe.